Welcome to Anand Rathi Commodity and Currency Podcast. Today, the buzz in the market was created by surging crude oil prices. Oil is getting hotter, and yes, why not? Oil prices climbed to a one-year high on signs these supplies are getting tighter. The benchmark WTI crude breached $94 per BBL mark after the government data showed crude oil inventories hitting a yearly low on Wednesday. Even bigger news is the storage in US Cushing, and that's causing the whole complex to rally. Crude stocks at the key Cushing, Oklahoma storage hub and the delivery point for US crude futures fell to the lowest since July 2022 and is closer to historic low levels. Crude oil has gained by more than 30% since last 3 months as supply cuts by OPEC giants turned oil markets in huge deficit. Sentiments largely remain bullish for crude oil, with the focus now turning towards the PMI data from China due later this week. Chinese fuel demand is also expected to increase during the week-long autumn festival holiday which begins on Friday. Crude oil analysis pivot level 7727. If crude oil rises above 7932, might move towards the level of 8054. If it drops below 7652, we may see downside level of 7530. Talking about gold. Gold witnessed sell-off yesterday amid concerns from the Eurozone emerged with money flows into dollar and treasury yields denting safe haven appeal of precious metals. Moving ahead, with key levels being broken yesterday itself, prices may continue to trade with negative bias. Gold analysis pivot level 58,487. If gold surpasses 58,653, it has potential to reach the 58,956 level. Conversely, if it falls below 57,913, we may see downside to the levels of 57,610. Moving on to copper updates. Copper to remain negatively biased in day trade amid rising visible inventories and deep contango trade. Focus also remains on dollar movements for the day, which could limit upside for the day. Pivot level 710. If copper breaks above 711, it may move upside to the level of 713. If it drops below 707, we might see downside level of 705. Lastly, talking about currency markets. Rupee is likely to open near its record low levels on Thursday, with the surge in crude oil prices and rising US Treasury yields expected to hurt the Indian currency. Key resistance level shifts to 83.35. For major economic events are US GDP data, jobless claims and EIA natural gas storage. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great trading day.